let's go!
Low roll.
I didn't either. I thought they were telling us.
Okay, so you're just gonna. That's what we think.
There's a huge storm coming. Go.
Let's go, ma'am. From all
Stop
of the things that we
screaming
have
at me.
to do, there's a bathroom. You need to leave.
Thank you.
There's a porta potty right there.
We are being forced to evacuate.
Everything's to the east for shelter. Beautiful.
That big grass area where they built that big fireworks show.
We need police. Please help. Where are the police? Seeing blood on the ground. I just hope this gets better. 11:10. I'm told the president is in hold, so he's on site there.
You have to go tonight.
Back tonight.
Go over.
I'm at my wit's end. I am at my wit's end. President speaking. I'm at. Where am I? Where are? I don't even know. Oh, we're here. Don't wait, it's closed. No magnetometers on anymore. Anywhere. Nobody's moving. They closed all the magnetometers. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow. I'm the only one here. Night. So this is Memorial Bridge, and I'm still looking. The firecracker barges are still on the sides. Well, we found all the fireworks.